Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys at my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to code guys poco phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to disable get this setting. Friends, you can see you have got this half screen. So guys, how to disable this setting today friends, I am going to show you. So guys, we call it guys 100 mode settings. So guys, by mistake you have enable and on your 100 mode, so you will have to disable it. Then guys, you can solve this problem, and guys, you can disable the setting in your poco phone device. So how to disable this half screen setting. Friends, open your phone setting first of all. After phone setting, a search bar guys, on it, and guys search here guys 100 mode setting. As you can see 100 mode setting guys here. So guys, click here, and as you can see my 100 mode is on, so I will off it. As you can see after, guys, screen will not off. So we can disable the setting from search bar. And guys, one more method guys, you can disable guys your setting. Now do not find guys your 100 mode from your search bar. So guys, how to disable it? So let's see friends, open your phone setting and guys scroll it. Friends, find, click on your poco phone additional setting. Then guys, you can see your additional setting is here, date and time, language setting. And guys, you can see your 100 mode setting is here. So guys, tap here, and guys, you can also disable from here. So as you can see, screen will not off. When you will able, you can use guys this 100 mode setting like that. You want to disable guys, click on 100 mode setting and disable. So as you can see, we cannot use 100 mode in our poco phone device. After disable, you want to use guys, again guys, you will have to enable from here, then you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to disable 100 mode in poco phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt related to guys your poco phone setting, you can ask me comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.